What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. And on this episode, we're going to be talking about stock trading and an app that you might want to download right now. So what's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode on Keeping It Real with Credit. Now on this channel, as you guys may know, my name is Ray and I'm your host. And on this channel, we talk everything in regards to credit, personal finance, and tips and tricks on how you can take your personal finance and credit to the next level. Now, in the past few weeks, I've been in contact by a company called Webull. Webull is considered the best stock market app to invest and research global financial markets. So follow me along as we navigate through this app and uncover some of the benefits and features that you can expect while downloading this app. This app is really designed for individuals that know how to navigate through this world. I think it's simple and it's elegant enough for the average Joe to understand if this is something you want to look into. Keep in mind, as a disclaimer, stock trading can have a lot of risks involved, and it has to do with, unpredictable changes that are going around the world. But this app provides you enough information to make intelligent decisions based on that. Now, one of the things that stood out to me the most about Webull is they have the free stock trading. We're talking about zero commission, zero platform fees, and no hidden fees at all whatsoever. You're also gonna have the opportunity to win free stock. That's right, I said it, free stock. The way that you're gonna do this is by signing up with your account right now. All you need is something as simple as your Google account or a Facebook account. Once you open up your account, you're gonna be eligible to win free stock anywhere worth from $3 up to $1,000. So as you can see here, this app contains an in-depth overview and an easy to navigate, elegant design. As you can see here, you're gonna have different markets from countries to forexes, indices, crypto, so on and so forth. They have everything that you need in order to go ahead and make better decisions. In addition to that, you're gonna be able to customize your stock portfolio. You're gonna be able to add in watch lists, alerts, and have everything organized and centralized in one specific location. So anything that you want to consider to buy or have on your watch list, and even give you additional alerts as to when markets fluctuate in and out or any of the specific stocks that you're interested in, you're gonna have it in one personalized section. You're also gonna have access to smart financial tools. And in these tools, you're gonna be having access to IPO calendars, earnings calendars, capital flows, and advanced quotes, and much more. Again, providing you more insight and information for you to make a better decision. One of my favorite things about this app is the fact that it gives you global breaking news. And on this section, you're gonna be able to see everything that's going on the minute, every minute, in regards to certain things that are changing or happening around the world, specifically to what you chose to either buy into or add in your portfolio. This can dictate and can give you more insight on to make a better educated decision whether to move forward with that stock or keep it moving to the next one. Guys, I can tell you this much, that the successes and failures of certain companies are very dictated by many different factors. For example, weather, political influences, wars, you name it, things can make a general impact to a company. So it's very important to understand that although this is a very high risk, stocks can be very high risk, but you can make a better educated decision by keeping a close eye on it, by you reading into the global breaking news as things happen around the world. Guys, with that being said, feel free to look up in the description below so you can go ahead and download this link and make sure that you sign up with an account so that you have a chance to win free stock, again, anywhere worth from $3 to up to $1,000. Make sure that you share this with family and friends. And again, I must insist, for you to always do your research. So go ahead and download the app, check it out, and let me know what you think in the comments below. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video was of great use to you as we explore new ways to increase our personal finance and credit, and now obviously in this occasion, stock trading. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for the love and support. Make sure to like, comment below, subscribe, turn on that notification button, and I'll see you next week on Keeping It Real with Credit. Peace.